grab your 50-50 tickets, and we'll do that draw before the features this afternoon. Hopefully send you home happy with a couple $100. I know I'd be happy if I won that. One more time around for the K&J Truck Center trucks, and we'll get things underway. Bruce in the flag stand along with Jerry, the Wrangler on his shirt, so he'll be operating the caution lights, I believe, and helping out with the scoring and everything, and get them all ready to go here. John's Tire and Towing Pace Truck is going to hook a left right now so we can go racing. Who's excited to see some racing this afternoon, everyone, eh? Here come the K&J Truck Center trucks around turn 3 and 4. We're getting things underway right now. We'll see how this calcium and chloride holds up with the K&J Truck Center trucks, and the two fastest ones timing out in front right away. Also looks on the outside of AJ Watt. Watt's going to try and hold that in. Justin Moss is going to try and make that outside line work. Look at the speed and the momentum he's going to get. He's going to nearly pass it now in turn 3. Still, door handle racing at its finest right now. We may be having a caution coming up for turn 3. And that will throw the caution out. Early one here today, and now he's only third from Valley Raceway. He'll roll up Justin Balser and AJ Watt. I overheard Brad say that he was smashed for the race over 80 pounds. Number 88 could be the case today. So we lose one right off the bat, and it's been great racing so far, only 2 laps in. This 10-lap heat race. Again, I just don't know how it works here. We do 2 heat races for the K&J Truck Center trucks. 2 10-lap races, a 12-lap feature later today. That also goes with the modifieds and the 8-cylinders. The 4-cylinders, we're changing it up today. So our rule that we're implementing today, if there's more than 14 4-cylinders, we're going to split up the heats, 7 and 7. Just because with a lot of cars on track, it makes it likely that there could be a little wreck here or there, or maybe a lot. So we'll split them up, and then we'll bunch them all together for the feature. So we're kind of changing it up here. It's kind of like other racetracks in the Maritime. Scotia Speed World mixes up their heats, and they split them up. We're doing that today. Tow truck's going to push Brad Cross's 88. That truck did not last very long. Actually coming up from Yarmouth, like Dowsett, racing down there. It used to be the 33 truck, and that was the 88. And you'll have to throw some ice on something in that car or the truck and try and cool it down as best they can, and maybe a mechanical problem, but he's done for now. Brad Cross, that number 88, done for now. Push off the truck, and we'll have 3 trucks remaining in this 10-lap heat. If you're just walking in here, you've only missed 2 laps so far of the K&J Truck Center truck. Canteen is still open, and we've got some new items on the menu, including some dressing fries, some good old turkey dressing on top of the fries. You can't get any better than that. Throw a little gravy on that. Your doctor may not agree with it, but I agree with it. It's good. Okay, we got the trucks rolling again. AJ Watt in the 17, the 12, Justin Balser, and the 35 truck is John Jones. That truck has been driven by a few different drivers, including Steve Hutt, and then 3 weeks ago, it was the number 69 for Sean Sanford, and I don't know if Sean's going to get that Dakota working again, having some little tinkering problems here. It's been a minute since we're back here at Valley Raceway. There's been a lot of racing happening in the Maritimes. Of course, last week was the IWK 250 weekend. I know a few people up there checking that out. And the intensity is going to pick up here in just a moment with the pace truck off. We'll resume this race. Yeah, 1 minute, 2 laps in. 8 to go for AJ Watt. Ready for that green flag. Justin Balser gets the better bite in turn 1 and 2. He gets out in front of AJ Watt. I'm sure that won't last long. Walking to the smaller truck here. Justin's going to make it. Back in third is John Jones. Could be the catbird seat. These 2 trucks up front have collided a few times and taken each other out. Hopefully that doesn't happen today. Just had some engine problems today, so he's right up there. AJ track, drifting and sliding. Still keeping it within a truck-like distance. He's not running out of his grasp yet. AJ's going to try to roll out. Valley Raceway, and AJ got a little loose there. Great momentum coming into turn 2. He's going to really put the hammer down and try and catch up with Justin Ballster. Number 35 of John Jones. Well, and that will bring out the caution. No contact between the 12 and the 17. Looks like he just got her swirling, got caught in a rut. Really muddy down there. Push it down here. AJ hits that tire. Those tractor tires are going to take a beating today, I'm sure. That will throw the 17 to third, but with only 3 trucks on track, it won't make that big of a difference. In fact, it might be better for the number 17. He'll be right behind the 12 of Justin Ballster once we get him lined up again. That will throw the number 35 of John Jones to second, slower compared to the 2 other trucks here. And after this race, we will have the Foster's Fire and Safety 8 cylinders, followed by 2, count them, 2 heats for the 4 cylinders, brought by Team Auto Sales. Now, the leader can pick which lane they want, and I think Justin Ballster wants to take the outside. So it's leader's choice for picking the lane. In fact, AJ Watt is going to go in that same line, and it's almost like Australian racing here, racing the other way around. Not as hot as Australia today, but it is hot. It is a little humid, a little breeze here, which is nice at Valley Raceway. Again, can't stress enough, throw some sunscreen on, stay hydrated. We have lots of drinks at the canteen, Powerade, Gatorade, Pop, water. Make sure you stay cool today, and earplugs if you need some. We do have it at the canteen for you. So if you're looking here, the white truck is not the leader. He's on the inside. That is John Jones. Number 12, Justin Ballster's the leader. He's going to take the outside and try and get a good grip on the mud here coming out of the restart. Pace truck pulls in, going to try this again with 4 more laps remaining. Spin by AJ Watt, brought up that caution. Only 3 trucks, he's back in line. And the big flag is Justin gets out front of the 17 and the 35. AJ Watt gets around now. John Jones in the 35, and the race is on to get on to Justin Ballster. Justin is now going to try to take the Turn 1 and 2 is his Achilles heel there. That's where he spun out a couple minutes ago. Coming up to 2 laps to go. AJ's really good at showing that engine's got a lot of power so far. AJ Watt slipping just a little bit, not even catch up his fast. To be honest. AJ dives into turn 3. And that will really slow him down. Last corner for Justin Ballster in the 12 after going up in snow 3 weeks ago. AJ Watt comes home second.